In the depth of the ocean, where life thrives in a symphony of colors and beauty, lies a secret that has fascinated scientists, nutritionists, and health enthusiasts for decades. And from this very depth, we extract the golden treasure that has been hailed as the elixir of life: omega-3 fatty acids. This elixir can change your life forever, make you live longer and better life, give you more energy and help you make the best possible version of you. What are the main health benefits of omega-3 and where to find it? Watch our video till end. Omega-3 fatty acids, often referred to simply as omega-3s, belong to the category of polyunsaturated fats with crucial roles in maintaining your overall health. Unlike some other nutrients, your body lacks the capability to manufacture an adequate quantity of omega-3s independently. Consequently, omega-3 fatty acids fall under the category of essential nutrients, necessitating their inclusion in your diet through the foods you consume. Omega-3 fatty acids play a huge role in facilitating the optimal functioning of every cell within your body. They serve as integral components of cell membranes, contributing to structural integrity and promoting essential interactions among cells. While their significance extends to all cells, omega-3s exhibit particularly high concentration in cells located within your ocular and cerebral regions. Furthermore, omega-3 fatty acids serve as a valuable energy source, providing calories while also bolstering the well-being of various physiological systems. These encompass your cardiovascular and endocrine system, where their influence is profoundly beneficial. Omega-3 fatty acids can be divided into three main categories: EPA, DHA, ALA. What are the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3 fatty acids have many potential benefits for your cardiovascular health. One key benefit is that they help lower your triglyceride levels. Too many triglycerides in your blood raises your risk of atherosclerosis, and through this can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. So it's important to keep triglyceride levels under control. In addition, omega-3s may help you by raising your HDL or good cholesterol and lowering your blood pressure. Some studies show that omega-3 may lower your risk for cardiovascular disease, arrhythmia, and blood clots. Beyond heart health, omega-3s may help lower your risk of developing some forms of cancer, including breast cancer, Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Some research suggests that omega-3s may help protect against Alzheimer's disease and dementia and have a positive effect on gradual memory loss linked to aging. Asthma. A diet high in omega-3s lowers inflammation, a key component in asthma. But more studies are needed to show if fish oil supplements improve lung function or cut the amount of medication a person needs to control the condition. Are omega-3 fatty acids good for you? Omega-3 fatty acids may lower your cardiovascular disease risk when you consume them as a part of your diet. But in general, it's better to opt for food sources, like fish, rather than pills. Omega-3 dietary supplements, fish oil pills, have some benefits for everyone, but it's best to proceed with caution. When it comes to fish oil pills, it's important not to self-prescribe. Never take over-the-counter supplements without talking to your healthcare provider first. Your physician, including your primary care provider or cardiologist, can prescribe your dietary supplements based on your risk characteristic and lipid levels. Where to find omega-3? While omega-3 supplements are readily available, the most delicious and natural way to boost your intake is by incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your daily diet. And now we'll explore the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, making it easier than ever to harness their transformative power for your health and well-being. The primary source for omega-3 fatty acids is fatty fish. Salmon stands tall as one of the finest sources of omega-3s. Its vibrant pink flesh is rich in both EPA and DHA, two of the most powerful omega-3 fatty acids. Regular consumption of salmon can support heart health, reduce inflammation, and even boost brain function. Mackerel is another omega-3 superstar. Mackerel provides a hearty dose of essential fats along with a distinct and robust flavor. Incorporating mackerel into your diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease and support joint health. Don't underestimate the power of this tiny fish. Sardines are a pocket-sized omega-3 powerhouse, offering substantial amounts of EPA and DHA. They are also packed with calcium and vitamin D, making them excellent for bone health. Not only fish can provide you with omega-3, plant-based foods can also give you a big hug. For those seeking plant-based sources of omega-3s, flax seeds are a top choice. These tiny seeds are rich in alpha-linoleic acid, a type of omega-3 that can be converted into EPA and DHA in the body. Sprinkle ground flax seeds on your yogurt or blend them into smoothies to reap their benefits for heart health and digestion. Walnuts are not only a tasty snack but also an exceptional source of omega-3. A small handful of walnuts can provide a substantial portion of your daily omega-3 requirements. They're an easy addition to salads, oatmeal, or simply enjoyed on their own. Chia seeds, like flax seeds, are rich in ALA omega-3 fatty acids. These versatile seeds can be used in a variety of dishes, including puddings, overnight oats, and baked goods. Chia seeds also offer dietary fiber, promoting digestive health. Hemp seeds are gaining popularity as a nutritional powerhouse. They contain a healthy balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Sprinkle hemp seeds on salads, yogurt, or blend them into smoothies for a nutty and nutritious boost. Algal oil supplements are an excellent choice for individuals following a vegan or vegetarian diet. Derived from algae, these supplements provide a direct source of EPA and DHA without the need for fish-derived products. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your daily meals is a delectable and rewarding way to enhance your health. Whether you opt for fatty fish like salmon and mackerel or choose plant-based sources like flax seeds or chia seeds, the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids are undeniable. By making these nutritious choices a part of your routine, you can harness the power of omega-3s to support your cardiovascular health, boost your brain function, and enhance your overall well-being. So, savor the taste of health and vitality by embracing the bounty of omega-3 foods. Subscribe to our channel and boost your health.